So hey guys, Jai Hind. First of all, happy Mother's Day to all of you, as today is 11th of May. Actually, I went to 𝗙𝗵𝗵𝗍 as because to book a train ticket on railway station. As one of my brothers is very ill and he is a patient and he has to go with his family to Mumbai urgently. So that is why I went there to book a ticket. As he has some guest at his home, so that is why he asked me to go there. He requested me, and that is why I did so. Okay. So finally the deed has been already done. Now I am returning home, and I just thought that why not should I shot a video? Why not should I capture a video right now in this amazing place? And just now I am standing on a local bridge which is called 𝗙𝗵𝗵𝗍 Bridge. So my reason is not that what about I am saying. Actually, the reason is behind of is that I just want to become a fluent speaker. That is why I am shooting this video at this place. And my motive is that you should be do the same. So enough for today at here. Now I will go back home. Okay. Thank you. So as you can see that just behind of me there are so many tea gardens surrounding in our area. It's make the place so beautiful. Also you can see that just behind of me the weather is not well today. Perhaps rain will come today. Okay. As in 𝗙𝗵𝗵𝗍 where from I have just come, there was raining at that time, and I believe that in this place rain will come also. Already I have just nearby of my home, and the weather is not well today. Okay. So meet you next time. Okay, goodbye. So finally now already I have reached at home. Now I will undress and freshen up, and then enough. That's it. So as I already mentioned that my main motive is that in this way I am just practicing to speak in English, and that is the main reason that I am shooting this video, I am recording this video, and I am asking you to do the same. Okay. So I have already you subscribe my channel, like my videos and comment on my videos. Meet you next time. Thanks for watching, and like and comment, share. Goodbye.